Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can read Angel of Death in Webtoon PC. So guys, if you're trying to read the comic Angel of Death in Webtoon, then this video is for you. So guys, since we're using a PC, you just need to open any browser that you have and go to this website right here. And once you're there, just go ahead and tap on this icon over here that's in the top right corner, search icon, and just type in the comic that you want to read. As you can see, Angel of Death is right at the top. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you can see this hypnosis right here. Once you tap on the first episode, you can see that I can now read Angel of Death. So guys, there you go. That's how you read Angel of Death in your Webtoon PC. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.